Welcome to Tech World for Kids. Today, let's create a different game. We're going to create a car and make it drive on the road. First, let's start the tablet. Tap on scratchjr. Tap on Home. Tap on Plus. We'll see the same white background with the cat. Okay, if you want to create a car driving on the road, we want to change the background. Tap on this button here. You want to find a picture with roads. Okay, so these are all the pictures we have. These two, there are roads in these two pictures. So I'll choose the first one. I'll click the tick. Okay, you can see now the background changed to the picture. And we also need a car. See this plus sign? Tap on it. Okay, you can see there are different animals. There are some boys, girls, uncles, aunties, and there are cars. There are two cars here. One is a red car with a girl. The other is a blue car with a boy. I'll choose the red car with the girl. If you want to choose the other one, feel free to do so. Tap on tick. Oh, our car is here. It's super big. Do we still need the cat? We don't need it anymore, so I'll tap on the cat. So tap on the cat until you see the red cross here. Tap on the red cross. The cat is gone. But look at our car. It's so big. How do you drive it on this road? We need to make it smaller. How to make it smaller? Look at the purple button here. If I tap on this purple button, all these buttons change to purple color. So this button, the second one, is to make something bigger. And the next button is to make something smaller. So let's drag this down. Okay, now if I tap this, look at how the car changes. It becomes smaller. Smaller, smaller. Okay, I think this size is okay. Now let's put it on the road. Now we don't need this anymore, so just drag it up. It will be gone. We want this car to drive and it's going to the right. Remember what we did in the last video? Tap on the yellow button, drag down the green flag. How to make the car move? Tap on the blue button. And the first one is to move to the right. So I'll put it after the green flag. Okay, now I'm going to tap the green flag. Look at how the car moves. It goes to the right. But it only goes a little bit, right? I want it to go longer. So look at this blue button. There's a number 1 here. That's why the car only moves 1 step. Tap on the number 1. And you see on the right, there's a keypad here. You see all the numbers from 1 to 9. I want to make the car move by 10 steps. So I will tap on 1, 0. See here? It becomes 10 steps. Now this time, if I tap on the green flag again, the car will move all the way to the right because it's now moving 10 steps. Similar to our last video, if you want to make the game window bigger, tap on this button. Okay, now if we tap on the green flag, we will see the car move to the right by 10 steps. If you want to go back to our coding screen, tap the button on the left. Do you remember how to change the name of the project? Tap on this yellow sign here. And tap on the name. This time, I'm going to change it to Drive on the Road. Tap on this tick. Now we have changed the name of our second project. Let's go back to home to check. So now we have two projects. This is the one we did in the last video, a dancing cat. And this is what we did just now, drive on the road. See you next time.